As this new day opens before you, allow yourself to arrive gently into this moment. Feel the softness of the morning settling around you, like a warm invitation from the universe to begin again. Let your breath slow down. Let your body loosen. Let your mind unclench its grip on all the thoughts that tried to follow you from yesterday. This is your time, your sacred beginning, the part of the day that belongs only to you. Allow yourself to drift into stillness as if the morning itself is holding you, supporting you, reminding you that you are safe, you are guided, and you are ready for what's coming. Feel the calmness spreading through you like a quiet sunrise rising within your chest. Every breath melts away pressure. Every exhale sets you free. You are here, and this moment is enough. Feel the ground beneath you. Feel the soft weight of your body resting. Feel the breath moving in and out without effort. Let your shoulders fall a little lower. Let your face soften. Let your heart open as if a small beam of warm morning light is shining directly into it. You don't have to force anything. You don't have to achieve anything. Just breathe. Just be. This is the soft entry point into a day that will unfold beautifully for you. You're stepping into peace, into clarity, into inner alignment. Everything you need is already inside you. Everything you want begins with these gentle moments of presence. Let your breath deepen slightly now, not because you must, but because your body feels ready to receive more light, more ease, more connection. With every breath, feel yourself rising from within, waking from the inside out. Feel your energy becoming clearer, brighter, steadier. Imagine yourself sitting in a soft morning glow, surrounded by warmth, surrounded by a quiet sense of possibility. A new page, a new chapter, a new chance to choose who you want to be today. Imagine a gentle wave of golden light brushing over your arms, your chest, your back, and your legs. down to your feet like the universe is refreshing you, resetting you, preparing you for the highest version of this day. You don't have to hold yesterday. You don't have to carry last week. You don't have to fix the past. This moment is your reset. This moment is your rebirth. You are breathing yourself into alignment. You are returning to your power. You are stepping into a deeper level of trust with life. Feel the air enter your body as if each inhale is a quiet yes whispered to your soul. Feel the exhale as a release, a letting go, a gentle surrender. Let the mind loosen. Let the heart expand. Feel a calm confidence rising inside you, steady and certain. Today you do not chase, you attract. Today you don't force, you allow. Today you rise from a place of inner peace, and from that peace everything else begins to flow. Imagine that with every breath the light around you grows softer, brighter, more alive. This light is your inner state. This light is your clarity. This light is the part of you that already knows what to do, already knows how to create. You don't have to figure everything out. You don't have to push. Just breathe. Just open. Just receive. Let the day come to you. Let the blessings come to you. Let the opportunities find you. The more you relax, the more you allow. The more you allow, the more life responds to you in beautiful ways. Let a small smile form on your face, even if it's just a hint of one. This smile signals to your whole being that you are ready for ease today, ready for flow, ready for joy, ready for abundance. Feel that subtle shift happening inside you, like a flower turning toward the sun. You are aligning yourself with the best version of this day. The timeline where everything becomes smoother, lighter, more meaningful. You are stepping into a grounded confidence that says, I am ready I am open. I am here. Let this inner light expand until it fills your entire body. Let it reach your fingertips, your toes, the crown of your head. Feel yourself glowing from the inside, steady, calm, empowered. This is your inner state. This is the field you carry into the world today. You are walking into this day with a heart that knows how to receive, a mind that knows how to focus, and a soul that knows how to attract. You are aligned. You are anchored. You are awake. And now, as you rest in this quiet morning glow, allow these affirmations to enter you gently. You don't need to repeat them out loud unless you want to. Just let them land softly. Let them shape the energy of your day. I am ready for a beautiful day. I am open to everything good that is meant for me. I am calm, centered, and grounded this morning. I am choosing peace before anything else. I am allowing this day to unfold in my favor. I am worthy of every blessing coming my way. I am aligned with the best version of myself today. I am grateful to wake up and begin again. I am stepping into ease, clarity, and flow. I am letting this morning fill me with light. I am open to receiving more than I expect. I am connected to inner peace with every breath. I am choosing thoughts that support my happiness. I am walking into the day with confidence and grace. I am thankful for every opportunity I will meet today. I am releasing tension with every exhale. I am trusting the timing of my life. I am choosing joy regardless of circumstances. I am open to miracles today. I am deserving of abundance. I am stepping into my power with ease. I am ready to attract beautiful experiences. I am living this day with intention and presence. I am letting go of what I cannot control. I am choosing to move with ease. I am attracting solutions effortlessly. I am confident in who I am becoming. I am ready for something good to happen today. I am a magnet for clarity and inspiration. I am grateful for the gift of this morning. I am choosing to see beauty in everything today. I am ready to receive love, joy, and abundance. I am walking into this day with an open heart. I am connected to a deep inner wisdom. I am creating a day filled with meaning. I am aligned with peace. I am stepping forward with trust and confidence. I am ready for a wonderful day ahead. And now, as this morning settles into your body, take one last deep breath and feel the softness of this moment stay with you. You are ready. You are centered. You are aligned.